Three major chemical companies have agreed to pay more than $1 billion to settle claims that they contaminated drinking water across the United States. This with the so-called forever chemicals. In a statement at the beginning of the week, Attorney General Mays said, quote, "These companies have known for decades that so-called forever chemicals will contaminate water supplies for generations to come, but chose to sell their products anyway. The failure by these polluters to inform the state about the risks associated with these chemicals has harmed our environment and the health of Arizonans, and they must be held accountable." The companies by the name of Chemours, DuPont, and Corteva are facing thousands of lawsuits across the country alleging forever chemicals were used in manufacturing and then polluted the environment. The chemicals, also known as PFAS, linger in the environment and the human body. Under the agreement, the companies will contribute nearly $1.19 billion to a settlement fund, and Chemours will contribute half, while DuPont and Corteva are covering the other 50%. The fund will be used to help remove PFAS from public drinking water systems, and it's an agreement in principle, but the company says a definitive agreement is expected to be finalized later this year. Governor Hobbs and the state's top water officials announced that there are now limits on construction projects in the state as a result of rapidly disappearing groundwater. Hobbs cited a new study that showed that the groundwater supporting the Phoenix area likely can't meet additional developmental demand over the next 100 years.